just tired of being scared all the time, not knowing why. I'm tired of trying to change and not knowing how. Because however much I do change, I'm left with me.
So, how many chefs do you
Chef.
Chef.
Который готовит еда.
Russian.
Вот сколько шеф знаешь, людей.
So, how many chefs do you
Like by name.
You name them. No. Fine. Your mother. Oh my word, your mother. It's fine. Good. She also cooks. Yeah, she's a chef. Okay. So guys, you're in a restaurant.
My first question would be like, how many chefs do you have?
I think he's in support. It's not like he's not a big chef.
Yeah, initially.
Okay. So how many chefs do you guys know?
Two.
Good afternoon, welcome back to Chef's Epicurean Legacy Show. I'm Habile. I'm Sandro, and please welcome back Chef Eddie and Chef Casper.
I'm Chef Eddie. We thank you guys for your love, for this opportunity that you did give into us. Thank you so much.
First of all, I'd like to say thank you to Coach Usaz, to the directors regarding this opportunity is too rare. It's so difficult to find such opportunities. I can't mention how many guys I know who want to be in this particular shows, but you can't even get in Cape Town. You see, thank you very much again, Kate.
So my question goes to the both of you. I just would like to know, as well as the audience, what exactly you do in the kitchen. Like, what role chef are you?
On my side, I will answer you like this. You know, in the kitchen, there's a lot of work because the kitchen, the way you see the kitchen, there is a place where we call the pass. That means after cooking everything, now the one who's standing on the pass is the one who's gonna send the food. You understand? That you need to call the waitress, and then the waitress or the waiter can come and collect the food. We go to the pass. We do have a pizza section for those that restaurant where they do pizza. We do have a culinary section where the other people are washing the dishes and doing some other stuff. And we do have as well salad section or griller section where they grill all meat, all kind of plants, steak, all kind of things. Now, as a chef, you need to have the control for each and every section to know your workers and to have a good communication. From there, you can work better with your workers. Keep a good relationship with your workers, and you need to know your workers and then make sure everything is sorted. Because if there's a good relationship with your workers, that means everything will be sorted by themselves.